Pia. Welcome to the RSR Aviation Services Private Limited. This whole is my team and I am representing and director of RSR Aviation. RSR just wonder, I am just explaining you, it's not a wonder of RSR or something, it is big coming is. So it's basically the pronunciation words, Reena, Suresh and my kid's name's Revan.
Oh, that's so cute.
So it's a so we have started and luckily it got into the aircraft shape, so we are definitely flying up. In my hometown in Pune and it is very nearer to the airport.
Okay.
So every day since my childhood I heard about it every day. So I have a dream that I will be in the that aviation industry since old experience in this aviation segment.
Okay.
I have worked on the aircrafts also, then I have done the jobs also and I have started my own. But I am into the paint industry and I am having a paint knowledge since last 12 years.
All right.
So it's all
RSS
together.
was established in 2022, if I'm not wrong.
Yes, exactly. It is
Right.
2022. So what exactly makes us difference? I will just show you that. So here is the Fly Gloss series which is there. And this is a kind of base coat and clear coat series. So what this series makes difference from other is have a durability. So this is have a 10-year of durability. Here we have mentioned that it's a warranty. That 10-year your paint will not be fade.
Okay.
Okay, so this is how we are collaboration partner with 3Chem and Socomo, that we are here for the industry to serve better, more advantage, more technical, eco-friendly products to the India. So we are doing that.
So you are mainly into painting, coating and stuff like that.
Yes.
What do you think is more challenging to get into this industry?
So the more challenge is the versatility. What I am expecting is like the paint is not the only the challenge. We feel like so when paint is coming, then there is a paint stripper for there. We have done the collaboration with Sokumar also. Like they are the partner through 3K. Then if it is a adhesion, if it is a tape, you can consider for the paint, we need a masking tapes also. So we have done a collaboration with the Tesa tapes. So it is like that, like we have come to the point that yes, the paint is not only the challenge. As it is comes very last, but there are challenges which can become to remove the paint which is already there on the aircraft, then do the masking which is already required, to do the thread locking and all those things. So we have come up with a solution and we are having my husband so he is having expertise in the consumable line, so we have clubbed together so that it will be a one-stop solution for my customer and they will be happy that yes, Reena is providing all the things from the nose to the tail, or you can say from the radome to radar.
That's nice. So now that India is in focus and it's a rapidly growing
Yes.
industry, what is your quick thoughts about how this industry is going to grow?
So as industry's growth rate is 8%, definitely it is going to be boom by 80 to 90%. Definitely, because the thing is what we face is the challenges is the manpower. Now we are in the strengthening the manpower. People has went from the India to outside, now they are seeking to come back to the India because the exponential growth has been seen and recognized by the world.
Yeah.
So it is not like only India is talking about themselves, but the world is talking about the India.
Yeah, and the initiatives that
Yes,
India is
and-
taking, Make in India and
Yes, I just
Atmanirbhar
heard
Bharat.
that we are the third one who has put the inputs to the defense. So
Yeah.
that's a very good challenging and everybody should be focused on that. No in any government spend that much money on the defense, but yes we do. The key
Yeah.
objective will be the what phase we have gone through my experience. I have faced that. The challenges are for the application also. So we thought that let us have the product also ready along with the apply, along with the application. So you mean to say that what the objective here is we are more going to focus on the application matter also, where there are synonymous challenges are happening in India. There are multiple paint defects found in the India. So we just wanted to reduce that and we wanted to grow ourselves along with you key guys like MRO Southeast Asia Summit.
Any new partnerships that we are gonna see in future?
Yes, definitely. There are certain names on the list, but I cannot disclose due to some non-confidentiality. But definitely, for sure, you will
Yeah,
get to know.
sustainability is such a
Key factor nowadays in the world.
nowadays, and it's into focus. How is RSR, trying to inculcate that into the company?
Yes, where the corrosion is the main key factor for the aircrafts, because you know that everything get corroded, right?
Right.
So we have developed the paints which is a chromate free and which is also a lead free and which does not add anything into the environment. So we wanted to do our paint should be a water-based paint where no solvent evaporation will be happen, and definitely we will be things that carbon emission by using the electrical vehicles for the transport. By selecting the electric transport whenever it is accommodated, we will do that.
One last message that you would like to give to the aviation industry, particularly in terms of MRO.
Okay. Nowadays, I just wanted to know that look further for the greener hangars where you can use the solar panels, where you can use the LED panels, and go for the paperless activity, which will definitely promote India to sustainable environment. Will help
Alright.
to sustain.
That was a wonderful conversation
Thank
with you,
you.
Reena. Thank you so much
Dhruva.
for your time.
Thank you so much, and you have such a nice name. Belongs to
Thank
Ganpati.
you so much.
Thank you.